Today's lesson will be changing margins left and right. I've got a document in front of me which we need to change the margins left and right. As I always tell my learners, we should always work with the ruler. How do we work with the ruler? Click on view and I click on the tick for ruler so that my ruler could be active. So I'll activate my ruler. So how do I change my margins left and right margin? I also want to note that when doing the final examination, you might be having Microsoft Office 2010 edition, and at the college we'll be using Office 2016. So there's a slight difference in the parameters. So where do I go to changing the margin? Click on layout, click on the drop down arrow on the left for margins, click on custom margins. So now I can see I have margins top, bottom, left, right, gutter position. So by default it is 2,54 centimeters, 2,54 centimeters. I can see on my ruler from my page it's 2,54 on my left and it's 2,54 on the right. Like I mentioned before, you might be using Office 2010, which would be 2.54 centimeters. So if the instruction is to change the left and the right margin to 3 centimeters, 3,1 centimeters, let's say 3,1 centimeters, I backspace and I say 3,1 centimeters and I backspace 3.1. I click on OK. It will give me this error message. The error message is this is not a valid measurement. What is not a valid measurement? As you can see over here, it is 3.1. So at home, you might be using your laptop or your computer and you might be using Office 2010. So you'd be using a dot, but Office 2016, it is a comma. So I need to delete the dot, put in a comma, change my margin left to 3,1 centimeters, left, right, 3,1 centimeters, and I click on OK. I can clearly see now it is left 3,1 centimeters and right 3,1. You need to follow instructions very clearly when they do say if it's left, right, top, or bottom. More than that, they might even ask you, I'm going to margins, custom margins again, they might ask you which page or which text you want to change your margins. So if you are going to change your second page, so then you'd highlight the text on the second page or you'd put your cursor there and you'd choose here by the preview, apply to whole document, apply to this point forward. So I hope that helped you to change your margins left and right. Thank you.